Buenas noches, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros. Let me hear you make a little noise. All right. Very good. Okay, everybody on this side, say, ole! Ole! Everybody on this side, ahua! Ahua! Everybody in the back, ay caramba! Ay caramba! Ray, they think I'm real. No. If you want to be in show business, get your own act, okay? Can I go on? I'm trying to be nice to you. Okay. All right, come on. They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yeah!
Cuban Pete, everybody! You're a caveman.
No, I'm a Victoria's Secret model. Of course I'm a caveman. Okay. Well, not much of the hunter, though.
No?
No, I'm more the intellectual type.
Intellectual type?
Oh, yeah. I was on the debate team.
Debate team?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean?
Well, all of these guys would hide behind a rock, and I'd be the bait.
What you got here?
Oh, that's my girl catcher.
Girl catcher?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really? Uh-huh. So why is it tied to your hand?
It's a strap-on. Anybody want a bone?
All right. Kind of telling everybody out here that you might be able to show some of these people your tricks.
Tricks? No, I don't do tricks. I'm a magician. I transpose, I recombine, I resubstantiate, but I never trick.
No tricks?
No, tricks are for kids.
Well, is there anything that you can show us here today?
Would you be all interested in seeing a small demonstration of my craft?
Yeah!
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, really, I can't hear you.
Sorry, you know what? I've got to check his hearing aid. Just one second here. What is that?
Oh, that's my suppository. Well, at least I know where my hearing aid is.
Why don't you just tell everybody your name?
My name's Dwayne. Hey there.
Hey.
So,
Dwayne, like Dwayne in Spain.
all right, okay. So, all right, Dwayne, listen, it sounds like something's bothering you.
Oh, yeah, it's my wife.
Oh, trouble in paradise.
Oh, yeah. Calls me the Energizer Bunny.
Really? I wouldn't complain about that.
You wouldn't?
No.
Well, she's the Nether Ready Rabbit. Every time I want to make love, I feel like I'm on a game show.
Game show?
Yeah, let's make a deal. Are you ready? Okay, remember, wait for the letter P. All right, here we go. I'm clearing his throat. Are you ready? All right, here I go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We're almost done. Now tell me what you think of me. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Oh yeah, that's Rocky Top. Yeah!
Bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the cool cat, the cool kitty. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice round of applause for the Scat Cat?
All right! Is everybody having a good time here? All right! How you doing, Ray? Oh, I'm good. Okay. Are you going to show everybody what you do? Oh, you got that right. Oh, one, two, you know what? Yeah! Scat Cat, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Hey, you know what? That's really easy to do. Ray, you can do it too. No, I can't do it. Hey, you want to hear him do it? All right, okay. Beba, boop, baba, ziba, zuba, beep, bop, ba-doop, baba, ziba. I don't know. Don't quit your day job. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been a wonderful audience.